Authorities have formed a joint task force to regulate crowds and ensure safety during the annual Jatra of Shree Devi Lairai temple at Shirgao beginning April 21, 2026. The order is issued under Section 152 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita by the Deputy Collector and SDM Bicholim. Follows directions from the District Magistrate and observation of the Bombay High Court at Goa. Officials from Mamlatdar's office, Bicholim Police Station, Fire Services, Electricity Department, PWD, and Village Panchayat Shirgao will enforce safety norms. Unauthorized stalls, structures, and road encroachments are strictly prohibited and will be removed. Parking will be regulated, especially along emergency routes. The order is effective immediately and will remain in force until the Jatra concludes.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.